Okay, more fun. 2014 Hyundai Sonata. The gas cap doesn't open. You hit the little gas, the fuel door, nothing, doesn't pop. And I found a little, hold on. Back in this panel, I found this cable. You pull on that, nothing. So I got to replace some stuff in here. I'm going to show you how to get at this and how to do this, how to get this dang door open without wrecking anything and scratching any paint. I bought this part right here. This is a part number. This thing's supposed to fix it. Let's see how much fun this is going to be. Okay, first thing, I got a can't live life without the long pick. And I got just a wedge, plastic wedge, so I don't scratch anything. I'm going to want to stick this in the door nice and carefully. Try not to wreck anything. And you can just barely see the button in here. There's your button right there. You probably don't need to do this, but I'm going to put a bungee cord on this cable just so I don't have to hang on to it and pull on it. You probably don't need to pull on it, but I'm just going to put a bungee cord on here so it pulls on the cable a little bit. There it goes. I use this one. That's your problem right there. These break. Yeah, so basically what I did is I just tried to get on this lip right here and push this in like this. And I popped it out. And then in the trunk area, I got this little thing I gotta take off, and there's a clip right here, and there's one more down here. I probably don't need to take this one off, but I'm going to. There. So I should be able to kind of. I'm gonna put something heavy on this just so it doesn't flop up on me. There's a little clip right here. Push it in like that. And you can unplug this plug right here. And you turn this little half turn, and that comes off. This whole thing's a big mean trick. I probably didn't even need to take these 4 screws out of here. The mean trick being that this box is larger on the inside than the outside. There's no way to take this whole thing out unless you take this out first. I really don't know any other way to get this out. So it's a really stupid, crappy design. It almost, I don't know, this rubber's molded into this plastic. I don't know how the heck they would even have got this thing in here. Because it's deeper on this side and it's deeper on the other side. So getting it out would be incredibly impossible. So I'm just going to make a cut right here. Just a little cut. I'm going to make a little cut right here. And then I should be able to get in here with a 10mm socket. I'm almost done being nice to this thing. Because it's a really stupid, cheap, stupid design. I don't know if they built this expecting it to never go bad or what, but it's really dumb. Hats off to the dum-dums. Here, I got one of these screws. Get at this other one. I don't know, maybe somebody can do this the right way and they can look at my video and laugh at me and go, ha ha ha, that was really stupid, what'd you do that for? All you had to do was blah blah blah. I don't know, we'll see. So I got the 2 screws out of here. Now I should be able to just grab the thing and take it out. There's the junk. So it goes in this way, I think. And I'll just plop this one back in. It kind of snaps in there so it stays in on its own, kind of. There. It's barely noticeable. If you want, you can cover that with something, but I'm not going to. Okay, let's see if this wants to work. Pull on the handle. It works. Make sure my button works. Yup. Okay, that's how you fix the junk quick and easy without the dealer